Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about new Discord profile tags, how to get them free. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go here at discord.band/tags and choose a tag and select join. In this case I will choose this join. Click on join. You will be redirected to the selected Discord server and click and accept as. Let's see. Okay, so okay, join the server. After joining, a pop-up will appear after asking if you want to add the server's tag to your profile, and click on a top tag at bottom in this case. Okay, and let's see the tag. Here is the settings, and no, it's not here. Let's see. Okay, okay, the tag is now visible in my profile here. Well, okay. Is that okay? This is the tag in my profile. It appears, it already appears. But if the tag didn't show up, go to settings profile, click here profiles, and then scroll down until until you see the service tag section, and choose an available tag from the drop down, and that's it. Let's check here in my profile by clicking here by clicking it, and it already appears the tag. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Please leave me your like and subscribe also, and thank you for watching, and see you next video guys. Ciao ciao.